Hello there. Today we are going to learn about unconditional jump in assembly language. So as you can see by the name unconditional, these kind of jump instructions are used to perform jumping from one line to another line without any specific condition. And how do we use it? We have a condition named as jump, or we can write JMP somewhere, and we will attach a label name with it, and wherever the label name is found after subsequently or before that line, the control will be sent from this line to the label name, and we will write a colon after the label name too. So this is how we will simply perform unconditional jump in assembly language. We will simply use the jump instruction with some label name. Any label name you can give it right here, and you can define the label name somewhere else. So this part will be ignored here, and the control will be transferred from this line to this line. Now we can demonstrate it by writing some code. So we can write our code here. Let's say I'm defining the basic things. Stack 100.data. We don't need any data right now. This is my main procedure. I'm ending my main procedure here, and this is my end main section. So to perform simply jump, before that we can see the control flow of our program, which is the simplest one, which is the current flow of my program. Let's say I want to print A on screen. What will I do? I'll simply move it to my data register. After that I'll move 2 in my accumulator register, and I'll pass the interrupt 21H. After that I'm trying to print B on screen. I'd say move AH to interrupt 21H, and for finishing touch I'll send 4CH into AH interrupt 21H. So I can save my code for now. This will simply print 2 characters in the same line. I'll write mesem file.asm. I'll write link file.obj, and I'll simply run my file by writing file.exe. Look, you can see that the result is right now AB. So if I want to modify that, that was the general flow of my program. Look, first A was printed and then B was printed. Let's say I'm trying to disturb that normal flow. Let's say I'm trying to make a jump instruction from here to label 1. For example, the label name in my case is lab1, or anything you can write. I want to jump from there to this part. What will I do? I'll simply define my label here and colon, and I'm done. And now in this case, the jump instruction will work like this. This will move from this line to this line, ignoring all of these lines between these two, and it will continue its execution from here. Now if I save it from here, and if I exit from here, and I go give it to my mesem file.sm, and then I'll give it to my linker, and now file.exe. Now look, only B is printed now. Coming back to the code, let's try to understand what just happened. Look, whenever the jump instruction was executed, the control of my program was passed from this part to this part. So that is why this part of my code is ignored. So I just saw B on screen because this part of code was printed executed. So this the purpose of these 2 or 3 lines of code is to print B on screen. So due to this jump instruction, we jumped from this part to this part without any condition, and we ignored all of this part as you saw in the output. So this is how you can use jump instruction in unconditional jump instruction in assembly language.